In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pre-built tables. If you've ever opened a blank Google Sheet and wondered how to structure it, pre-built tables are a quick, reliable way to get started with a clean, professional layout. They come with thoughtfully designed headers, formatting, and sometimes helpful formulas, so you can focus on your data instead of building a structure from scratch. Here's how it works. With your Google Sheet open, head to the top menu bar and click Insert, then choose Table. When you do, a panel will slide in on the right side of your screen. This is your gallery of pre-built options. It's designed to save you time by offering ready-made setups that match common tasks, and it's especially helpful if you're trying to standardize the way your team tracks information. In the panel, you'll see a selection of templates such as Project Tracker, Inventory, and Event Planning. Each one comes with a set of columns and formatting tailored to its purpose. For example, Project Tracker is ideal when you need to follow tasks, owners, statuses, and due dates across a timeline. Inventory is great for listing items, quantities, locations, and reorder thresholds in a way that makes stock management easier to read at a glance. Event planning helps you organize schedules, budgets, contacts, and logistics so important details don't slip through the cracks. Even if your use case isn't an exact match, these templates offer a strong foundation you can adapt as needed. To use one, simply select the template that best aligns with your goal from the right-hand panel. The table will appear in your sheet, fully formatted and ready for your data. You'll notice the headers are already in place, the columns are sized sensibly, and the visual styling improves readability. This structure encourages consistency and reduces errors, especially when multiple people are entering information. If you're not sure which option to choose, start with the one that seems closest to what you want to track and look over the included columns. The predefined layout can spark ideas about what information is worth capturing and how to keep it organized over time. You can also explore other templates in the panel to see different approaches before settling on the one you like best. That's all there is to it. Open the Insert menu, choose Table, and pick a template from the right-hand side panel. With just a couple of clicks, you'll go from a blank sheet to a clear, structured table that's ready to support your work.